Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. So today I am going to discuss a topic, a very important topic called matrix exponentiation. This is basically a binary exponentiation and matrix multiplication. So this effectively known as matrix exponentiation. What does it mean? It means that how effectively we are calculating some matrix m and raised to the power some number n. So in naive method, we can calculate m raised to the power n in log n time, means n o of n time. But with the help of exponentiation, we can reduce it to order of log n. So that is the means. And today we understand this topic with the help of one interesting Leetcode problem called this appears in the bi-weekly contest. So the questions is you can understand. I am given the link in the description box. So the questions is total characters in a string after transformation. Basically you have given an s and a number of transformation you have to do. Okay, and another nums array nums. So effectively you have to at each transform you can transform a into next character a, means, and a will be transformed to b. Okay, let us understand this by some example. Like a can be converted into next a means b, and b can be converted into c, next character 1, next character. Okay, so y can be converted into next character 1, next character z, and z can be converted into a and b, next two characters. 2 means next two characters. Okay, so after n transformation means t transformation, you have to calculate how many characters will be formed. This is the question. You can understand easily by given the link. Okay, so I am going to discuss that solution also. This problem is easily solved by using the concept of matrix exponentiation. Let us understand the question first. So for making the problem easy, let's suppose there are 9 characters only. Okay, a b c to I. Okay, so I have also a nums array which is 2 2 2, means every character can be converted into next two character. Like a can be converted into b and c, b can be converted into c and d, and similar on. Okay, and let's suppose a is this. So I can make a matrix a, okay, by properly hashing this string. Like a can be, a is having 2 present in the s. Okay, b is nothing, 0, and similarly a c is present 0 times, d is present 0 time, e present 1 time, g present something something something, and I present 0 time in this string s. Okay, I've also formed a matrix m which represents that character a can form b and c with the help of nums. Okay, so effectively if you multiply a matrix with the any row, what does it mean? That a will be total number of character a formed after multiplication will be summation of all these values into this. After one transformation, a will be present how many times, which is given by the multiplication of matrix of 0 row and this vector. Okay, so in the if we multiply this, we can effectively say that we will get 0 and 0, means 0 plus 0 is 0, is no any a will getting after one transformation. So on the basis of that, I can say that after two transformation I can get matrix multiplication as m and previous matrix that form is f of 1, means the matrix formed by one transformation. And recursively we can say that after n transformation or t transformation we will get the matrix M into A matrix. So effectively what we can do, we have to effectively calculate matrix raised to the power t and the hashing vector A. Okay, so to solve this problem, let us code this in the Leetcode so that we can solve it easily. Okay, we have given a string s and t as the number of transformation we have to do, and matrix and vector names. Okay, so what we have to do, we have to effectively calculate m power of t, which is going to multiply with a. So effectively this is giving a function f. Okay, and we have to sum it all. So to calculate this I have to first make m matrix M. So let us define a matrix M. Okay, so this will be a 2D matrix M of size 26, as there are present 26 characters from A to Z. So vector int again 26, initially all will be 0, and I will traverse for int I equal to 0, I is less than 26, I plus plus. I am going to fill this matrix for int j equal to 1, j is less than equal to nums of I. Okay, and j plus plus. So if 1 is present, means nums of I, let's suppose 1, so it is going to fill the next character. So I will mark it as I index and its next, means I plus j, it's j index, and for avoiding overflow I have to take the modulo and 26, and this will be plus plus. So two matrix form M. I have written the code. Okay, you can easily understand it. And I have to also form the matrix A also. So it is also going to take 26 size, initially all will be 0, and for every character in S I can fill this matrix as A of X character increases by 1 for every character. Okay, so effectively I am going to make this A array and matrix M, and let us calculate the power of that vector. So let us calculate M power of t. So let us make some function power which is going to take M vector and it will return the matrix power M. So I have already make a function power. Okay, it will taken two argument, that is a matrix, and the next power, how many operations you have to do, and it is giving the result. And also I have already make a multiply function which is going to help to calculate the matrix multiplication easy. You can refer the code from internet also. And after that, when I calculate this, I have to multiply this with a vector and effectively store it in some f in this form. So vector int f will be again of 26 size having 0 values. Okay, so I have to multiply it for int I equal to 0, I is less than 26, and I plus plus, and again for int j equal to 0, j is less than 26, and j plus plus. Okay, and effectively for every characters that I have to multiply it by this vector, multiplied it m of I of j into a vector, a of that is I. Okay, and I have to do this may be some taking overflow, so I have to make it long, and again I have to make a modulus also. So let us make int mod equal to 1 e raised to the power 10 raised to the power 9 plus 7, and I have to do modulus, and after summing also I have to do mod. Okay, now when I calculated the f vector, effectively I have to sum it answer. So for int I equal to 0, I is less than, or effectively I can say for every integer in f, I can do as answer equal to answer and plus x, and I have to do modulo also, and effectively I have to return the answer. Okay, let us run this function first. Okay, so I have to write these all functions above that. Okay, let us take in this place and now run this function. So what is wrong here? A of j will be modulus of a of I mod of t. Okay, so for every character, and let us take what is wrong with this code. I have multiplied so for every I have multiplied a also, and not m but power of m. Okay, this will be power of m raised to the power t, and yeah, it is accepting. Let us submit this code also, and yeah, it is successfully accepting the code. Okay, thank you for all.